In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close Capital.com account. Before you can actually close the account, there are a couple of important prerequisites you need to complete. Think of them as clearing the runway so the closure can go through without any hiccups. First, make sure you don't have any open trades. Head to your portfolio, where you'll see a list of all active positions. Open each one and choose the option to close it. Confirm the action and wait a moment for the platform to register the change. Take a careful look to ensure every position is closed and that there are no leftover pending orders. Your portfolio should show 0 open positions before moving on. If markets are temporarily closed for an instrument, you may need to wait until they reopen to close that position, so plan accordingly. Next, withdraw all funds so your account balance is 0. Go to the Withdraw section and follow the prompts to send your available funds back to your original payment method or to a method the platform allows for withdrawals. Keep in mind that processing times can vary depending on your provider, so the balance may not hit 0 instantly. If you use multiple currency wallets or sub-accounts, check each one to make sure everything is fully withdrawn. The key here is that your available balance shows 0 on the platform before you proceed. Once you've closed all trades and withdrawn every last bit, you're ready to finalize the closure. Go to Settings, which you'll find at the bottom left of the platform. Select Personal Details, then choose Close Account. The platform may ask you to confirm your choice or provide a brief reason. Read any on-screen notices carefully, since closing your account typically removes your access to the trading platform and may limit how you retrieve past data afterward. If you see that the Close Account option isn't available, it almost always means one of the 2 prerequisites hasn't been fully completed. Double-check that there are no open or pending positions in your portfolio, and verify that your balance is truly 0, including any small residual amounts or currency pockets. A quick tip before you finish. If you'll need records for personal tracking or tax purposes, consider downloading statements or trade history in advance, as access may change once the account is closed. That's it. Close your trades, withdraw your funds, then go to Settings, Personal Details, and Close Account. Follow the prompts and you'll be done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you wrap things up smoothly.